Today, we will learn the phrasal verb disparage somebody. Disparage somebody means to speak badly about someone. It usually means saying negative or unfair things. You use it to describe when someone criticizes another person. For example, she disparaged him in the meeting. Here, disparage means she said bad things about him. Remember, disparage is always followed by the person you are talking about. You cannot say disparage about or disparage to. It is always disparage someone. It is a transitive phrasal verb, so it needs an object. You can disparage someone's work, ideas, or character. For example, he disparaged her efforts. This means he spoke disrespectfully about her work. Disparage is often used in formal or serious conversations. It is not a positive word. It means unfair criticism. You can use it when someone is being rude or disrespectful. Try practicing with this sentence. Don't disparage your friends. It means do not speak badly about your friends. Now you know how to use disparage somebody. Try to use it in your sentences today. Thanks for watching and keep learning English.